Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here's a great tip for you. If you are using Safari like I do, but you have struggled to find the inspect feature so far, you are in the right place. Open Safari. As you can see, the inspect is missing. In your Safari menu bar, click Safari, then Settings. Select the Advanced tab. At the bottom of the window, click Show Features for Web Developers. That's it. You can change other settings if you like, but we do not need anything to change right now. You can now right-click in Safari and inspect any web page you want.